Good morning, students of Standard 12th. This instruction is only for a few students who are skipping online classes. Students watching videos of a topic is important, but joining online classes is also very important, because it's the place where the students can interact with the concerned teachers once the class is concluded. So students, please join the online classes also. Thank you, students. Students, we are going to discuss today Chapter 9, Food Production, topic Apiculture. Apiculture. It is the branch of animal husbandry in which bees are reared for obtaining honey and wax. For obtaining honey and wax. Students, apiculture is actually the branch of animal husbandry in which bees are reared for obtaining honey and wax. Students, the picture which is displayed here clearly depicts that the honeybees are involved in the production of honey. So here you can notice the honeybee, and the honey which is present in the honeycomb is also quite visible. There are certain varieties of honeybee. Students, these varieties of honeybee include three castes. First is worker. It is the caste of honeybee which collects nectar from flowers. So students, workers are those caste of the honeybee which collects nectar from flowers. So it's the picture which is displayed is of worker honeybee. Students, you can notice here that the size of the worker honeybee is quite small. Drone. It is the caste of honeybee which fertilizes the queen. Students, drone is the second most important caste of honeybee, the main function of which is to fertilize the queen. Since the picture which you are noticing is the picture of drone honeybee, you can also notice the size of the drone honeybee, which is also small. Queen. It is the caste of honeybee which lay eggs. Queen, which is the third most important caste of honeybee, and the main function of queen is to lay eggs. Friends, the picture which you are noticing here is the picture of queen honeybee. Friends, the most important point here to note about the queen is that the size of the queen, if you consider it is bigger in comparison to the worker and the drone caste of honeybee. So students, we can say that queen is the biggest caste of honeybee. Pasturage. It is the particular area which is rich in different varieties of flowers. Students, pasturage is actually the place, that is the particular area which is rich in different varieties of flowers. Students, the picture which you are noticing here, where the artificial beehive is formed and it is formed near the area which you can see here, where there is possibility of presence of huge number of variety of flowers. So students, this particular area which you are seeing here and beyond this area will be called as pasturage. Beekeeping management. the process in which improved varieties of honeybee is used to obtain superior quality of honey. Students, beekeeping management is actually the process in which improved varieties of honeybee is used, and the improved variety of honeybee is used so that the quality of honey can be made superior. There are two varieties of honey bee generally used for obtaining honey. So students, there are two varieties of the honey bee which is generally used for obtaining honey. Apis indica. It is an Indian variety of honeybee. Students, Apis indica is supposed to be found in India, and that is why it is called as Indian variety. Students, the picture which you are noticing is the picture of Apis indica. Apis mellifera. It is an Italian variety of honeybee. It is the most preferred variety of honeybee. Students, Apis mellifera is found in Italy, so that is why it is called as Italian variety. And because it produces huge amount of honey, and the honey obtained from Apis mellifera is also of very superior quality. So that is why Apis mellifera is supposed to be the most preferred variety of honeybee. Friends, from the picture, the diagram of Apis mellifera is very clear. Friends, now let us discuss an important question, that is, explain the methods to obtain superior quality of honey. Answer: Italian variety of honeybee should be selected for obtaining superior quality of honey. Pasturage should be quite near to beehive. There should be variety of flowers in pasturage. Students, as it has been explained that Italian variety of honeybee produces huge amount of honey, and the honey produced is also of superior quality. So, to obtain superior quality of honey, Italian variety should be selected. Secondly, pasturage, which is the place from where the honeybee collects nectar, should be quite near to the beehive. There should be variety of flowers in pasturage. Students, the more different types of flowers will be present in the pasturage, the better quality of honey can be obtained. Thank you, students.